Well, it looks like this blackberry survived the winter fine. We have a fine crop of blackberries, fine crop of fruit on this thornless trailing blackberry, kind I like to pick. However, over here, this one, I think we have a little winter kill. And it's just, it's surviving. It's coming out from the roots. You can see you have some green leaves. You actually have some fruit on there. And it really doesn't need any fruit on there. We probably ought to pick the fruit off and let all the nutrition go to vegetative growth. But this is just a classic example of winter kill and how some plants seem to survive it better than others. These are the same variety and not much difference in location, and this one made it through fine. This one's struggling.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.